Good day, good love, and good brilliance, beacons of beautiful light and brilliance. This is Wendy with Languages of Lights. And I needed to take a brief moment just to, express gratitude for such a roller coaster day. It has been such a crazy day of emotions and realizations, expansions, astral travels, dream pieces, new understandings. It has been so emotional, the telepathic connections today and the messages that have been coming through, which I need to I need to deliver in a way when things are not so hectic and I can sit and meditate for a few minutes. Things are in a big flux for me right now. So just for the next day or two, I need to regroup. So the wind is blowing ferociously outside, and it's been raining all day. It's been just a crazy energy. It snowed yesterday unexpectedly, and then it's been raining all day. So the wind is just crazy today, and the wind collective for some reason, and I'm not really sure what's going on there, but I keep hearing now even the winds of change again are blowing, because they tend to visit my awareness, or I'm obviously it's frequency, so I tend to connect, I think, with the wind collective more, or maybe they with me, our frequencies match when there's these great winds of change, these shifts in energy, that many of us are experiencing in a great many ways, and it's manifesting in emotions, manifestations, dreams, remembrances, reconnections, people waking up just speaking light languages or watching one of my videos, and all of a sudden they're activated. And so there's this explosion of needing to be authentic and vulnerable, and taking these moments to just stop and be with the joy, and not worry about no expectations of an outcome or a destination, because the journey is the joy and the destination is the journey, and the journey is all about the losing the idea that there is a destination, that we never stop growing, expanding, and learning. And it doesn't matter what dimension or frequency or reality you're in, we are in, there's always more to do and see and experience and grow and learn. And that this is just such a small sliver of our whole entire awareness, that we need to really, the message I've been getting is we've got to start being present and living in this now, the now. And many of us, I think, are really, this message is hitting home louder and harder than ever before. Like the gong is like really going off, saying, guys, it's time to stand up, find your voice, stop pretending who you are, and stop pretending who you're not, and set aside the idea of competition, and understand we need to complement each other and take the beauty of our individuality and meld it into an alchemy of new energy. But with that said, I would simply like to express this energy through this this gathering of light around me. And clearly the information I've been receiving today also is about trusting the messages we're hearing from those who have transitioned, whether it's friends, family, celebrity. Trusting the telepathy is getting stronger, your telekinesis is getting stronger, the understanding of manipulating mass and energy is getting stronger, how numbers and numerology connects, how the elements connect to you, and how you are a vibratory reflection of Gaia. And the more you become aware of your awareness, the more this allows the awareness to stretch beyond what you believed were your limitations of belief. And allow this new wave of energy, this new fire to burn within you in this new age of Aquarius. As we truly approach a time, a place of harmonic convergence, of understanding our trust, what we trust in, and what aligns with our core vibration. For when we trust that which is not in alignment with our core vibration, it causes a resistance. A disruption in the flow of your energy. Temayuala halamaya wakataya. Mituilasia nakawahala se. Seto hana yatayawala anti Petoya sasayawala hanakata Tehana mala Innoyawala hanu aseliatu maya halu Esana sana hela hoyo. He sonia wala mayoraka. Seseti lo amarahayana. Arahala kesa. Seto hayase. Hainayu. Haya toyabia wahaya wahaya taya he toya waholo. Washa you are. Washa ya wahila ya wahogo. Heto. Te pula hala ya bala ya dora hala gela dora segara sato gama. Dara shogo dara lera. Seto sogo. Sopora gera. Seto sora she. Seto sora sheka. Sera sotoro. Gopora shu. Letere sera kadora kapara sera sera sera. Senira haraneki alokone balakadora sera shu. Secora secora sera. Sambokora sera hambako shu. Benana sera. Mia noa kaloko e po soto ya sahi ma wa yashaha. Sete si pilo kotoro sopolo kondira sata yana ra yara ruasa pila ndere si. Setara shibila yana na ya sotoro sopola kayana sasato sho. Sotoro si biki yana nati aloko e mboko sopa. Setara shi. Sora. Andu guabasu. Pesha. Pesha niara. Otoro so kolahia. Mia nuiala koe te soa, ele kea tara salia la yanahi, la terra sotoro ko empoko la kiera satarashi, se toro sopa liana I tolo ka peleandara seia, se toro sopa ya halakata ela hena, a hanama roa, se loha maala kahai, se kiara hama roa kaparose, lira yana iwala kira, lehoni anamala koe arase. No anto ko ya pa anya sapa alo ko ta ya to pa lo ya no wa ya we ya na wa to pa la ko ya to ya pa la ke ndo ke sa sapa ke sa sapa la ya to ko la ko ta pa la to ke ya sa sapa ko ya to ya na ba la ke to ya la ko de pa la ke enda la ya to ko ya ba la ko to sapa la ke la ni na wa sa to ya ke do sapa la ke ne sa sapa la ke ya to so semiana na la ko la ke sapa la ke sa sapa la ya na wa la ko ke sa to Pagoya nene abalakare sabalakere to shabalakene diala oya nene awalakorada moha soto shua kahato petoa hora hena hisoto ashashi mishido alokora yenawa hiato armbako sada ki adore sepehe etokwa soso ra tukoya sabekiara itusoma hasesa shakwa haku tuha pa tu haso mo wahia such a shia. Mikiana yana wala kieto koya sapalo yana no asa toto kwa shashapi hana ya so tua heto koya sala to koya heto asa heni yana wala kwa toria la kieto na sapala katori sapala kanu kwa shako heto asa to soma Heno ya la katoa, eto isama ya wahalaku, oto ya la he wala usuku, soto supela heno maya waha, eto koluko poto ya to ya he palo supa ya tahi, suku tupa ya taku hata palahano ahatu, setu, metu ya se, suku batu. Peni ya wala kutu yu supayo ona ye palata e ketu ya sono ko e shoto la supa petu ya te palo hutu sukulu paya se no ay nadi wala ha kutu palaha tu supaki se tu palahina sa tu ku asatali yupuku. Mia nuela ki ato shope awa ki se tuliama kwa tayala. Mana ya hala tu ya hala Setoria belangiar sora. Setor se. Sator sama. Satoru supalahena. Akala kotar sibinkiar shodo. Columbiesa. Sateresa. Sateriasa. Sapologonia shania palake. Saterisi belangiar salahuana. Alokoria shibalahena. Sotor sopa ki hata shashapi. Satayana niana alakotar sopa. Esatosomiata ki. Itu luiana alurape sesa satarosoma alaka petashi. Miano alaka tosope. Te liana nea satoso palohana setoruko payotokoyasha. Mikuela otuashaneka. Miano alaka seto sopalakania. In gratitude we are for this now.